Discover the Knaus BoxTime 630MX, identical to the 630Me, but featuring a standard electrically adjustable rear lift bed. This premium camper van seamlessly combines comfort, style, and innovation. Thanks to Knaus' unique LWT construction technology, you benefit from a lightweight, strong, and durable build. Its modern design creates a fresh and elegant appearance both inside and out. Step inside and enjoy the spacious full-length kitchen, perfect for preparing delicious meals on the road. The generous bathroom, featuring a practical swivel wall, offers remarkable space and everyday convenience. The comfortable lounge seating area provides the ideal place to dine together or simply relax. At the rear, the comfortable sleeping area with the electric lift bed ensures a restful night's sleep, so you can start each day refreshed and ready for your next adventure. The Knaus BoxTime 630MX combines a thoughtfully designed layout, premium craftsmanship, and intelligent features, making it the ultimate camper van for those who want to travel in first-class comfort and style. We would be delighted to provide you with a no-obligation, tailor-made quotation.